Learning objectives. At the end of this topic, you will be able to explain the uses, advantages and limitations of marginal costing. Compare and contrast between marginal costing and absorption costing with the aid of an example. The concept of value chain was proposed by Michael Porter. According to this concept, organizations perform various activities to produce certain products or services. The value of these products or services can be seen from two perspectives, one from a buyer perspective and the other from a firm perspective. The amount which buyers are ready to shed for purchasing a product or service decides its value from the buyer perspective. The cost incurred by a firm to produce and deliver any product or service along with the firm profit margin decides its value from firm perspective. The activities carried out by the firm to produce products or services represent the firm value chain. Let us take an example of a shoe manufacturing company, Umford Shoes, to understand the concept of value chain. Umford Shoes follows standard steps to produce shoes. It procures raw materials like leather and synthetics from various vendors. Leather is then cut into various shapes based on the approved designs. After the initial processing, the raw material goes for stitching and lasting. Then insole fixing and sole pasting are done. Heat treatment and delasting follow afterwards. Then comes the step of finishing and final quality check. Subsequently the shoes are packed and delivered. However, the actual work of Umford Shoes does not end here. It has to market the shoes and also provide after-sales services. Umford Shoes has designers, engineers, skilled laborers and other staff work to carry out all these activities. The skills and efforts of all these resources add value at each step in the production process to yield the final output in the form of shoes. Let us categorize the various activities performed at Umford Shoes. Raw material is kept in the company warehouse and distributed to the production department as per the requirement. Such movement of raw material inside the organization is called inbound logistics. The raw material passes through various steps in the production process to yield the finished product in the form of shoes. Such activities dealing with the transformation of raw materials into finished products are called operations. Umford Shoes stores the finished products in the warehouse and subsequently distributes them in the market. This movement of the finished products out of the company is called outbound logistics. Umford Shoes publishes advertisements in television and newspapers. It also displays its products through hoardings. These activities are done to reach the targeted market segment and to increase the sales. Hence, these activities are put under marketing and sales domain. Umford Shoes gives 1-year warranty on stitching and sole quality. The company provides free repairing services during the warranty period. This activity comes under after-sales services. In the value chain of Umford Shoes, inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales and after-sales services are considered as primary activities. Since these activities focus on physical creation, communication and delivery of the products to ultimate buyers, they are called primary activities. Umford Shoes is a family-run business owned by Raymond and Mano. They take all the management and strategic level decisions. Mano takes care of accounts and finance. All these activities create a strong foundation for Umford Shoes. Hence these are considered as the firm infrastructure-related activities. Employees are the key resources of any organization. Hence, from recruitment to resignation, the company has to take proper care of its employees. These activities are considered as human resource management. Comfort Shoes focuses on innovation.